shells, and I think we're done. Almost. Right, these are nice exacto. That is obviously the Maverick Strada body shell. Why have I gone for this? It's just that it just saved me time. It's already painted. I like blue anyway. It's kind of a knockoff Porsche. So yeah. It's got a spoiler with it. I could do stuff to that. I actually looked at that and thought, that's actually not a bad body shell. It's already painted up, it's already cut. All I've got to do is pimp it out. Take off some of them stickers and customise it. And that is what I intend on doing with this, guys. I have jumped the gun with this one, guys. I just wanted to see if the stickers came off, so I took it out of the packet and started to peel the stickers off. And it leaves residue. So this is another one of them Strada Maverick, body shells for their touring car 110 scale. And again, the colour looked amazing, and it's just like, I don't know, man, like a navy blue. Nothing too amazing. Might look decent in the sunshine, but it's not doing too much right now. Obviously, it's inspired by the R34, but they made the front lights look a little bit different, right? So yeah, could cut grills out. The plastic's quite, either it's not very good, but it feels quite rigid, but that might be because it might be hard kind of plastic, so we'll see how it endures. You know, it might take a knock and crack really badly, but yeah. So I peeled off some of the stickers and it's left a residue on there. Peel some off on the front, so that's probably going to take a bit of cleaning up. And I would love there to be light buckets, but it's just for ease, guys. Again here, it's just for ease of use. It's already sprayed up, you know what I mean? So I've just got to do a few alterations, mods, maybe cut bits and bobs out, put some mesh on there, strengthen it a little bit. I don't know, put some decals on, change the look basically. Yeah, give it. Yeah, I kind of went for that. Drift cars have stuff caked all over it, so yeah, I'm not really fussed. I'll smash stuff onto that all day long. It'll fulfill its purpose, and it seems quite a nice rigid kind of shell for the money, guys. Can't really go wrong. Let's put it on the display stand and have a look. Okay, so guys, here we've got the Maverick touring car, painted body in blue, and you know what? I bought this because it looked like it was a royal blue or a candy blue, and it's flipping not. These pictures are deceptive, man. I'm normally pretty good with, but yeah, these pictures have completely brought out a different colour in the car. It looks really nice. It looks like a proper bright metallic or candy kind of blue, and then it's come like that. Anyhow, the first rule of business, turn every weakness into a strength. So let's turn this around. I'm peeling off all them stickers. I mean, the whole reason why I bought it is it's not a bad body shell, guys. Looks pretty decent, and if it was the colour I thought it was for £18, or was it 20 odd pound, you can't go wrong, right? Because I just couldn't bother to paint. So all I would do is rip off all the decals off it, put my own on it, and maybe colour certain parts of the car to match the wheels and the wing if I change the wing out. I just want it to be like a drift shell. I don't know, I might change it to a street one. But these are the kind of shells that I don't mind if they get trashed. They're not expensive, right? But they're not weak either. You know, sometimes you can buy shells and they're proper flimsy. They're not bad. So with a bit of reinforcing, they'll be perfect. Only downside, no light bucket. But yeah, that's the only thing. But apart from that, take off all the Strada rubbish, right? You could do some nice mods on there. You could actually make it look like a completely different car. And especially if you're going to start cutting bits out and putting mesh in there, if you want to put real exhausts on there, you know, carbon fibering stuff like the bonnet, sides of the car. So yeah, I mean, if it's still got, I don't think it's got film on it, but if it has, maybe be tempted to spray it in the colour that I wanted, but if it hasn't, no, I'm not. It's not an expensive shell. I'm not really fussed. I just want it to look pretty cool and different. But yeah, so at some point I'll be doing them kind of mods, and it's nothing amazing, guys. Actually, the other shell that I've got, I've taken it out of the packet. I just wanted to see if the stickers come off. They do, but they leave residue, a bit of a pain. So maybe a bit of rubbing alcohol will sort that out. I don't know. So I've kind of jumped the gun and peeled it a little bit. But yeah, so this one looks like a Porsche. The other one seems to look a little bit like an R34. And for me, it was just like, I can't be bothered to paint. If I want to get on the road straight away, I've got about 7 body shells to paint up. I want to get on the road straight away. This is probably the easiest way to do it. Get this and just kit it out, make it look nice, colour it up a little bit in different ways, and get it on the road. So yeah, I might not even reinforce that. So yeah. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Okay guys, giving it a quick spin, and this looks gangster. I don't know, man, look at that back end. It was proper wild. Oh my goodness. I don't know, is it like the old American 70s cars? I can't remember that. Yeah, it looks wild, it looks rough. So, yeah. Again, I thought it was a different colour, but we can always work stuff. Vinyl wrapping is pretty cool as well, because you can just, you know, use it to highlight bits that you want, cover bits that you don't like, as well as using decals. So, this is, again, the Maverick drift car painted body blue. Okay, so yeah, so just ease, guys. It was just, I thought we could start driving straight away. The plastic seems quite solid as well, so not having to mess around with it. I kind of jumped the gun and started to pull the decals off, but yeah. So what does it say? It says, refresh the look of your Maverick Strada, touring or drift car with this easy to install replacement body. Fully painted, detailed and cut out. This OEM replacement body is formed from light, flexible and highly durable polycarbonate plastic and painted with special flexible paints for an authentic look. Well, if that is true, awesome, because I don't mind having flexible paint on there, because it probably is going to take a knock. That will be, I don't know, I'm in two minds. See, I could put lights that stick out, not light buckets, but the lights you can screw in with a reamer and make little holes, like I did with the Escort, and put them in there. Have 4 at the front and 4 at the back. So yeah. Or if I went with the other light kit, I don't want to put an expensive light kit in there. It's just I don't know. I'm gonna make it look a bit crazy, but I don't really want to put money into it. Really, it is a cheap body shell, and it's there to get abused. But the thing I like about this body shell, right, guys, is that the windows are covered. So what that means is that electrics are hidden. So if you can make that car look a bit real, you know, no one can see that it's a toy. So yep, the front bonnet needs everything Maverick needs covering up. I don't know, might even go for some vinyl wrap on there. Carbon with a mix of ice blue or candy blue, and then just put some decals on there and make it look a little bit more like an R34. But anyhow, watch this space. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. I mean, it's like, I think it's about £26, I think. I might have got it cheaper, but yeah, for just one to knock about with and not worry about, it's all good in the hood. Okay, you'll see these little bad boys in videos that'll be coming up, guys, and stay tuned for that.